This is Elephant Rock State Park. An hour and a half southwest of St. Louis, this 133-acre park's claim to fame is its herd of granite boulders. These boulders were formed by molten magma that was pushed to the surface, cooled, and was weathered into the shapes we see today. However, not all of the formations and boulders found today are natural, as the area has been mined for its Missouri red granite since 1869. The main trail loop is paved, ADA accessible, and has informational plaques scattered throughout. A spur trail towards the southeast corner of the park takes visitors to a dilapidated railroad house, of which some of the rails can be seen and followed going into the forested area. For the more adventurous hiker, there are also dirt trails and rocky areas to explore. The park is open year-round, however the hours do vary based on the season. For those who want to visit or learn more about Elephant Rock State Park, look for informational links in this video's description.